my YouTube channel. It's your girl D.I.Y here, and in today's video I will be testing out the Serendipity 21-day wear at home DIY nail kit for you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. So you guys, when I saw this at Walmart, I told myself, like, I have to try out this product. This is super cute, and it does come with 3 acrylic powder colors, and the first one, you guys, is a white, and it goes by the name of French Tip. Super duper cute. The second one is pretty much a pink, a rose gold looking pink, and it's called More Amore. That's cute as well. The third one is like a shimmery glitter, and it's called 3 Wishes. And then it also comes with bonding gloss, a brush cleanser, an activator, and it's supposed to come with a 4-way file, but I didn't see that in this kit. So the first thing I'm doing is just buffing all my nails softly, so it's just removing any shine and oil. Now this is how everything looks with the tips being on, you guys, and I'm just clipping it a little bit because I want these nails to be long. So here I'm just gently filing on one side, and then I switch to the other side. I wasn't trying to do too much of a shape. I just wanted it to be a long, skinny square, not coffin, but I don't know how to describe the shape, you guys, but I just didn't want it to be too defined, if that made any sense. As I said, I didn't want it to be too defined. The left side came out way more slimmer and defined than the right side. So now I'm just applying some bonding gloss, and I'm gonna dip the finger into the white dipping powder, and I'm gonna dust off any excess powder, and I'm gonna apply some bonding gloss to the next finger and dip it, and I'm gonna keep doing these process like for 3 to 5 times, or just until I see that the nail is as thick as I want it to be. So you guys, I do want to give a shout out to Color of Charisma for leaving a comment 3 weeks ago stating, "You should invest into a brush saver to thin out the product on your brush." This comment was so helpful because I completely forgot that I needed a brush saver, but I'm so glad that this kit included it. And I'm also very thankful that she told me this, because you guys, the last video, it was so difficult with me trying to still push through with the nail glue. So you guys, this is exactly how the nails look right after I'm done applying the powder, and I think it's cute. But let's continue. So now I'm going in and adding the activator, and I'm adding the activator before I file the nails, and I'm doing this very quickly. So you guys, I am going ahead now and just filing the nails. One thing I want to tell you guys before I forget is please make sure that the bonding gloss does not touch your skin. The bonding gloss did touch my skin, and it was extremely hard to remove. It is extremely sticky. It is like super glue. So please take caution, and I was rushing when I did my nails, so I got it all over my fingers. But you guys, please take precaution. After filing, I went ahead and added some more bonding gloss. What I'm doing now is showing you guys how I did my rhinestones. So I used my brush on nail glue, and I'm using my wax stick to quickly apply the rhinestones, but since the brush on nail glue dries within like 0.5 seconds, I do recommend you using the regular nail glue that's like the dropper, because that takes a little bit more time to dry, and then it gives you enough time to move around the rhinestones if you mistakenly place it in the wrong area. Now I'm just going in over every single nail with the bonding gloss, And I love this bonding gloss so much, you guys. Like, this kit really shocked me. I love it. Now I have the nails underneath my LED dryer for 90 seconds. And you guys, this is it for this video. I did do these nails for my birthday. I wanted to try something different with the color white because I never really like getting my nails white. But you guys, I'm just so lost of words. I love this kit, and I feel like everybody who wants to do their nails at home should do this kit. It's super easy, and it comes with everything. It's a one-stop shop. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. And another pro tip, after using this kit, I will now be looking for color acrylic instead of buying nail polish, because it's just so much easier and it's perfect. See you guys in the next video though.